Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Jyoti Raghavan, dentist by profession. I've consulted here Dr. Sunil Ishwar from Apollo Cradle, Jayanagar 5th block. Actually, I had been suffering from menorrhagia and associated pain from past 2 to 3 years. I consulted many gynecologists in the town, but everybody came up with a treatment as diagnosis as adenomyosis and with a bulky uterus. The line of treatment was hysterectomy, and that too abdominal hysterectomy had to be performed. Since we are medicos, we have more doubts rather than the procedure itself. We believe in the complications post-operative. We are more curious to know. So I couldn't immediately plunge into a decision. Then there was severe blood loss, and I had to experience all the symptoms of anemia, severe tiredness, fatigue, loss of interest. It almost affected my family life as well as professional life. Then one of my friends referred me to Dr. Sunil Ishwar. The day I consulted him, he came out with different line of treatment, because since I had already undergone 2 sections and the uterus was bulky, everyone advised me for abdominal hysterectomy, and as everyone knows, that will take around 2 to 3 months of post-operative rest and associated with severe pain. And hysterectomy is not like any other surgical procedures. It is associated with your emotions, with the feeling of womanhood and all that. So I couldn't immediately take a decision, but I tried with different medical lines of treatment. All this was there up to 2 years, but one fine day when things really got worse, I decided to go for hysterectomy. When I consulted Dr. Sunil Ishwar, I was surprised that he came out with a different line of treatment. He said laparoscopic hysterectomy could be performed. I was really convinced by his confidence, and we did all the pre-op investigations. Everything was fine, and me and my husband together decided that the surgery be performed the next day itself. And the surgical phase was really very good. I mean, it was with minimal pain. The nursing care was excellent. The post-operative, the next day itself, I was able to walk. And all this pain and the trauma I had been experiencing for 2 to 3 years just came to end in one day. Was really unbelievable. It took for some time for me to digest all that. The third day I was discharged. I was in home. I realized that I'm again back to normal, and today is my 8th day. And I feel that my body is cooperating and I can be able to go back to work. I really thank Dr. Sunil Ishwar of Apollo Cradle, Jayanagar, and I like to refer him to all my friends and relatives, because these gynec problems usually hit you when you already hit 40. So I really very happy with the hospital and all the staff, and particularly Dr. Sunil Ishwar. Thank you.